Day I made 1% and I'm 7% up on my phase one challenge account, 10K funding pip challenge, and hopefully gonna pass it with this trade, but I'm gonna talk about, you know, the reasoning why I entered those trade and yeah, the rationale behind it and for myself as a kind of like a journal for myself to review it and then to see whether I did right or not, right? So when I look at it, this is Bitcoin. You can see right over here. I would say trading view is better, but I want to show where I enter, where I exit, right? Enter short there. I mean, it's fine. I can use better trading. We are in a initially we're in a very you kind of like a trading range and a bull channel. You can see bear can make money every single time scalping at the top and then bull also scalp at the low as well. So what shifted is basically I saw initially I took a short here as price break below this bull channel and then we have one, two, three, four bear bar close on this low. So I'm thinking, okay, probably we will have a measure move down. But I get out the trade after I saw the next candle is a bad follow through candle and then it's a strong bull bar close on the side. So I exit the trade because I'm a bit disappointed of the follow through candle, right? So I just got stop out, but not I got stop out, but I get out the trade. And then the next bar is super bear, and then you can see it's a very big trend bar, it's a breakout bar. And then, very easy. I'm just took a shot there, targeting 1 to 1, 1 to 1, measure move, right? That's it. That's the whole trade idea. And then I add another position here because I'm not using my full loss sign. So very easy big trend bar targeting 1 to 1. I believe that at the time there's a larger than 50% chance that we will move to the measure move because we have a big trend bar, right? So 1 to 1 risk reward ratio, probability bigger than 50%, probably 60%, then in the long term I can make money. That's just the math, right? So I enter another trade here. I enter another trade here. Size, at the time it's very high probability trade and my stop is not that large as well. It's here and then typing this move, is a bit 0.5 risk reward ratio, but very high probability, so I win the trade. The problem is Bitcoin is a bit high commission, so probably I will not trade Bitcoin that much on my funding pit challenge. It's a relatively high commission compared to other. We do not have any commission on indices for gold. I mean, it's also very cheap. You can see, right? So probably I will not trade Bitcoin anymore, but you can see gold has an amazing move as well. Pretty insane. But let's talk about the trade that I took on gold today. I took two trade on gold. One losing trade, one winning trade, and then whatever, right? Because at the time, I think we are in a very tight, not very tight, but we are overall in a trading range, and then this breakout is pretty dope. Break above the trading range, and probably we'll have a measure move up somewhere around here, I think. And the reason for me to enter the trade here is at the time, I think we're in a bull channel, at least looking, you know, here from here. Okay, you can see this time we're in a bull channel, right? You can see, and I'm thinking, okay, probably price. Oh, not here. At the time it didn't form yet, so somewhere around here, I think, right? Yeah. So Yep, something like this. I think at that time my channel is something like this, right? And I'm thinking, okay, probably price rejecting the low of the channel, pretty nice looking buy signal bar, close on its high. Probably we were gonna revisit the high, and I put my stop below here, or I can put my stop here as well. I mean, it's the same. Here, I will got stop out more often, but I'll lose less. But here I will not get stop out that often, but I will lose much more, right, compared to the first approach. So I think both approach is fine. And then I got stop out here, and then I took a long here for easy trade. So I'm thinking, okay, we're probably in a trading range, and then second entry, buy, enter my long there, put my stop below here, very easy trade. And then boom, bull breakout. And at that time, didn't look at the chart properly. I'm gonna enter here, put my stop there as well. Same trade idea as Bitcoin, continue pushing up, right? That can be the case very easily. You can see probably we already have a measurement up. Yep, very amazing, very easy trade. This kind of breakout trade is my favorite. 50% 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. You only need 50%, in a perfect scenario without any commission or spread. You only need 50% win where you can profit from it, right? 51 or 52%. Let me rephrase it. You only need like 51, 52% in order to profit from it. But when we have a big trend bar like this, I think the probability is not 52%. I think 60%. All right. At least 60%. So definitely I'm gonna profit from this strategy long term. And then you can see the same idea for this US 500 trade as well. Two bear bar, close on the slow and close on the slow of I don't know how many prior bar, right? So looking for measurement move down. That's it. I'm tightening my stop after I saw this new low, risking $20 for $85 and my initial stop was above there and then tighten my stop here, tighten my stop here, and then waiting for price to hit my target. That's it. Yep. Bitcoin, I think today went pretty well, but the commission is pretty expensive, right? That's the problem. But it was probably gonna trade Bitcoin a bit less, focus on gold and US 500 later. Because I didn't notice it, but this is like my trade recap for today. I'm going to bed and it's a good trading day for me. Ciao. What up? Just want to have a quick update. I passed the account. Phase one, 8%, you can see, pretty good. Trading pretty well and, measure move, as I just mentioned before. Very easy to trade. And it's just the beginning of my become like a full-time trader. Hopefully, I really want to become a full-time trader to really have that freedom and money to do whatever I want, right? And to live that lifestyle. And more importantly, right now, I'm trying to post my journey on, YouTube and for myself to review and hopefully someone will gonna see it and they will going to, love my work and then, I don't know, maybe like, you know, I cannot say inspire, but we improve together, right? I've been trading for 3 years now and just struggle for the first 2, 3 years, I would say. And it's not consistent at all, but hopefully this is like a good start of the journey. And I know there's still a long way to go, but it's pretty good to pass the account like using appropriate risks. And then yeah, I passed the phase one, and then I'm looking for phase two, and then work my way up to achieve the mass allocation with funding per another funding company as well. Hopefully my goal today, 13 November, I really want to make 10K a month, right? From trading alone. So I just passed the phase one, and hopefully I want to pass the phase two as well. And then I'll say, mm, is it a bold claim? But I want to make 10K per month consistently through trading. And I would use funding challenge like this as my leverage, right? So yeah, this is what I want to do. And at the same time, improving myself and, be disciplined, exercising. Yeah, just be disciplined, right? So that's what I want to say. And, you know, that's it. I'm gonna call it a day and go to bed happily.